On 2K Sports.
Here we go.
Alongside Clark Kellogg and Greg Anthony, I'm Kevin Harlan, and we'll be checking in with Allie LaForce from the sideline moments from now. We'll see the Cleveland Cavaliers and the Los Angeles Clippers. Now, MP. Following the three-point attempt by MP. MP, no good. Lopez a screen. Inside. And the dunk by Lopez.
And smooth dish from MP. That's talent and teamwork.
MP deciding where to go with it. And MP throws it down.
And he just punishes the D for falling asleep at the wheel.
A little disorganized that time, and the result 2 points in the loudest way possible.
Guys, there has to be better rim protection than that, though. Not very good.
Poor design there defensively. They know he's a knockdown shooter from that spot.
And you do not want to let him get going early because that can get you cooked.
Now, here's MP. And he's good on the three ball. MP's got 5.
And this is why you got to be all up in MP's airspace, even as the pass is coming his way.
Tried to come right back with the 3 of his own, but it's no good. And about 2 minutes played here in the first quarter. And MP throws it down.
Oh, man, I love to see that. MP elevating.
A shake. And he's fouled pretty hard on that shot, but he's got the chance to pick up the points at the line. It's going to be on MP.
And with the offense getting right to the rim, at least they saved the layup.
Old school D right there, just telling them no easy layups. It's as simple as that. And that's what you expect from them.
Pass to Mobley. Now here's Harden. Here's Rice. Good. It's Harden with the assist that time. 9 points in the game so far.
Gets the ball inside and gets it done. Nice work by MP.
Sinks the triple.
And he likes to get in a rhythm early. Nice triple.
And it's Harden with the ball for the Cleveland Cavaliers. MP inside. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul. It's going to be on MP.
As this career unfolds, I mean, MP's ability to get to the line will be huge.
No good on the free throw.
Well, probably a little draft in the arena tonight. He's the last guy you expect to miss the mark by that much.
Absolutely. MP with it. He's picked up by Mobley. MP, no good.
And you could tell he thought that triple was going to fall.
To the inside. And it's sent back by Lopez.
You could see Lopez tracking that shot the whole way. Nice awareness from him and a terrific rejection as well.
And a wide open look from Mathurin. No good from outside. Harden outside. Launches a 3. And here's MP for 3. And the 3 ball is good. MP's got 13. On the wing, MP. Pass to Leonard. Played in with a nice touch off the glass.
Such a strong wing. Quad can more than handle his own down low.
MP outside. And it's Mathurin with the rebound. Clippers trail by 3. In the corner, it's MP. Can't tie it up as that one's no good.
Hey, I think that green light they'd given him early should probably go red now. I mean, he needs to get some other folks involved.
Now, here's MP. 13 points in the game. And the foul called on Kawhi Leonard. That's his first foul.
Second team foul.
And it's the Cavaliers with the ball. 8-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Shots good by Rice.
And you look at this scoring outburst by MP. What's incredible is he still has room to grow.
Down low, Collins. And he floats in for the easy two. Credit the assist on that one.
Yeah, another nice bucket down low. They've really been able to work the ball into the post effectively here so far.
MB getting it done for the Cleveland Cavaliers.
15.
And if you're just tuning in, it's been a pretty even game through the first quarter. Now let's take a moment to get your guys' take on the scoring so far for the Cavaliers.
To me, it's been the ball movement. That's been the key. I mean, going from good to great. Not settling for a good shot, making that extra pass, keeping the defense off balance, and taking great shots.
Good for another basket. He's put up 10 shots and made 7 of them.
Well, they count on big-time production from him at the offensive end.
Kicks it out to Collins. Mathurin for 3. No good. That's miss number 2. He's 1 for 3. And the shot goes in. Rice has got the lead up to 7 now for the Cavs.
Outrunning the field, MP. He's got those young legs, folks.
Over in the corner, Mathurin. Lets it go with the 3. And the Clippers miss again.
Not sure why he keeps trying his luck from deep here. It's just not his night.
Pass to Rice. Mobley outside. And a wide open look for MP. Again, the Cavaliers score.
And creating a little separation here, gaining some confidence.
Yeah, you get the sense that they're going to start stretching this lead out a little bit.
And didn't do anything fancy there, but didn't need to.
Nope, his only concern right now is getting the points on the board. And I don't mean style points.
Hey, I thought there was some style there, guys. What are you guys looking at? I mean, it was still a pretty sweet.
Are you kidding me? What a play by MP.
MP, a showman for sure. He has truly arrived.
And the dunk by MP.
The D just kind of stepping aside and letting him get to the rim.
There's a reason, GA, the lead is what it is right now.
You know, you look at it, the communication is lacking, as is the trust. They can ill afford those types of breakdowns. It won't work. You can't win with those kind of breakdowns.
Great teamwork punctuated by a strong finish.
That is the perfect fast break, guys. Getting a hoop before the defense can get set.
And those are the kind of nice inside looks they've gotten here in the first half.
And then Allen slams it in.
Allen's got some old school big man in him. He's got great hands and mobility and does a good job finishing above the rim.
And foul on the shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line.
First personal foul.
The Clippers have shot 2 free throws and they're 1 of 2 so far.
At the line for 2.
That's also good. So he hits both free throws.
Extremely reliable. When he steps up to the line, you just kind of expect him to knock him down.
To the middle. Got a piece of it. And stolen by MP. Outside Mathurin. And it's off from 3-point range. The Cavaliers leading by 7. Back to MP. From outside the arc. MP showing the range.
Gotta contest MP from out there. He is more than capable from 3.
Back to MP. And MP throws it down.
Taking matters into his own hands.
Yeah, we didn't expect to see that kind of finish.
And you know, guys, when your point guard is making explosive plays at the rim, I really do think it sets the tone for the rest of the team.
And the basket by Harden.
And we know Harden is a laser now. He has confidence in that long ball. The defense has got to get on it.
To the paint. And the dunk by Lopez.
strong move to the 10, trying to get his guys going.
Hard not to get motivated, GA, right when your teammate makes that kind of play.
Yeah, you know, when you're looking to close the gap, you need guys who will take it upon themselves to step up, take the initiative, and make something happen.
And he just dangles from the bucket after sending that one through.
And you can see which team has the swagger right now.
Well, you know what? You don't want to do too much to get an opponent riled up. You got to be mindful of that.
Fires from way outside. Sinks it. What range from outside. Wow.
Stretching out the defense. MP, impressive range shown there by the youngster.
Leonard looking over the floor. From downtown. And that one's good. MP. MP has been leading the charge for the Cleveland Cavaliers. A grand total of 28 points for him in the game now. They have no answer for him defensively. And we'll be back with you shortly. And as we get into this third quarter, as we've seen so far, neither team able to create much separation on the scoreboard yet. Gets it to go from beyond the arc.
MP showing you have to stay connected to him the moment he crosses half court.
Pass to Matherin. Puts up a three. Good, and it's MP picking up the assist. Matherin's got 5 points so far. Mobley outside. And here's MP for three.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can't count on him to continue missing.
Here's the three. MP, no good.
Boy, he's got a great stroke. That one almost dropped.
And Mobley throws it down.
And he just powered that one down.
One of the game's top dunkers.
Absolutely salivates when he attacks the rim.
And there's the bucket from MP.
And that shows the skill level of MP. The pull-up is a tough shot to master.
Pass to Tyson. To the middle. Whistle blows. Bucket is good. And he'll have a chance at the line to make it a three-point play. So it'll be James Harden shooting. That one on Collins. The Cavaliers shooting their third free throw shot of the game.
If you want to know how clever Harden is as a player, just take a look at his one-on-one game. The way he can pretty much beat any defender. Quite impressive.
MP outside. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Shot by Collins, no good. The Cavaliers leading by 7. Sinks the three-pointer. MP's got a pair of threes now here in the third for the Cavs.
Unwilling to let up even for a moment. That's his killer instinct, just fanning the flames.
Yeah, I love the fact he doesn't play the score. He just keeps coming, attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal. You got to have some guts and guile to take it to the bucket strong despite the big fella standing in the way.
MP outside. Nice move. And the rejection by MP.
Hey, you're not going to trick MP now. Think again. That's a great block right there.
And so MP will bring it up for the Cleveland Cavaliers. They've led by as many as 11 points. MP with it, and it's Harden picking him up, and Leonard has it in the corner.
2 minutes.
Back to MP. Now, here's MP. He's got 34. The Cavaliers again can't hit. Outside Leonard. Fires the three. Evan Mobley with the rebound. The Cavaliers leading by 8. We've gone about 3.5 minutes into the third now. They grab their own miss. Allen. And he banks in the layup. Allen's got 6 points.
Boy, you see the hustle from Allen there, guys, and his relentlessness and the mindset to keep at it really allows him to gobble up those offensive boards.
And I gotta say, sort of surprising he goes for a slam that difficult when they're trailing.
But still, a magnificent move to the rim.
I don't care what the score is there, fellas. That's the play we'll remember from this game, clearly.
Here's MP. What a move, MP.
And haven't we seen that a few times today, guys? I mean, their defense has got to have a little bit more toughness about it.
And if it doesn't, this is only going to get uglier. I mean, that's no way to defend a player of his caliber.
MP with it. He's got 36. Pass to Harden. Back to MP. Here's Tyson. He's covered by Leonard. Elbow shot. And they force the shot clock violation. Great D. Clippers trail by 7. MP looking around. Oh, and he just jams it right over MP. Wow.
My goodness, that was absolutely filthy.
Oh, nasty. This building is stunned. He dug deep, Greg, into his bag of tricks there.
Boy, I'd love to get a replay on that one. Let's keep it handy so we can see it again.
The points coming in bunches as we wrap up the third quarter. It's been a good one. Cavaliers on top, up by 7. And do not go away as we'll... Fourth quarter of action is upon us. Thanks as always for joining us. Clippers with the ball. 7-point differential. Pass to Lopez. Inside. MP outside. Driving in. Can't get it to fall. And here's Cleveland. And here is Allen. He's guarded by Collins. And the shot is good. Allen's got the first points up on the board here in the fourth for the Cavs. From the arc. MP nails the triple.
Boy, MP is just filleting this defense. I mean, they've got no answers for him right now.
And Harden wide open. He shoots. Trying to answer back, but that three is off the mark. MP left side. Oh, MP makes it look easy.
That's a confident, bad young man right there. MP unafraid to show off his handle.
Pass to Tyson. Here's Harden. And it's the Clippers with the rebound. There's the three. MP, no good. The Cavaliers leading by 4. Down low. Here's Allen. And it goes down. 2 points. Allen's got 4 points in the quarter.
Well, I like seeing Allen get this kind of position because you give him the rock there and he can take care of the rest.
Outside Collins. Good ball movement here by the Clippers. Outside Mathurin. Lopez a screen. Jacks up a 3. Rebounded by Allen inside.
And close to making the defense pay for the lax coverage that time.
Harden. Strong work and close by Harden.
Harden's so good at getting the shot he wants and making tough shots when he has to. Great agility.
Rebounded by Allen inside. And here's MP. He'll bring it up for the Cleveland Cavaliers. They've led by as many as 11 points. Let's lose a 3. A three-pointer. Good.
He's just stretching them out. The defense has got to do a
MP with the elite handle.
goodness. MP going deep in the bag with that one.
And stolen by Leonard. For 3. Mathurin hustles for the rebound and guides it back in.
Just in a perfect position to grab that rebound and then get the putback.
MP outside. Here's Tyson. Just 5 on the clock. Tries it from 19. MP cleans it up.
Talk about a guy who never gives up. MP showing great effort.
Takes the 3. No good. The Cavaliers leading by 9. Beyond the arc. Trained from outside.
Late in the game, up big, they continue to attack.
I don't think you want to get loose and sloppy or ease up, but it is time for them to start using that clock a bit.
And how about that? What a sensational finish.
Hey, you got to be able to get some hang time to do that one.
Yeah, to glide in and reverse it home like that, so sweet.
And here is MP. 5 to shoot. And he could not get that one to go. A lot of contact, and he'll go to the line for 2. It's going to be on MP.
Good work inside by MP there, challenging the defense and forcing the foul.
2 shots.
No good on the second, so he hits 1 of 2.
Well, he got the important one to go. Their lead should be safe now.
Oh, that is a big-time jam. Just 1 second between the shot clock and game clock. Harden outside. Now MP.
LA foul. MP. 3rd personal foul. 2nd team foul.
And the first of 2, no good. Heartbreaking.
And you talk about building a legacy. That's MP's mindset, not just for himself, but for this team.
Down it goes for 3.
MP.
And they go to the intentional foul.
First personal foul.
And he cannot get the first one to drop. Tough one to miss.
At the line for the Cavaliers.
And he does get the second one. And that makes it a 7-point lead. And the Clippers call time here. They're trailing by 7. Guys, your thoughts?
And I don't think they'll be able to climb out of this hole.
You know, maybe working on their 60-second drill, even if it doesn't pay off tonight, maybe for the future.
It's stolen by Allen. And he commits the intentional foul.
You know, give him credit for still battling here down the stretch, but I think it's too little too late.
Simply delaying the inevitable here. I mean, at this point, even if they miss the free throws, there's not enough time left.
And the Clippers call time here. They're behind by 8. Guys, what do you think?
And I don't think they'll be able to climb out of this hole.
You know, maybe working on their 60-second drill, even if it doesn't pay off tonight, maybe for the future.
And the Cavaliers call time here. They lead by 6. And the foul called on MP. That will get him his 4th foul of the game, and due to the bonus, we will head to the line for 2. He drops the first one, and that makes it a 7-point lead. And so he drops them both. It's an 8-point game. And so it's Cleveland winning this one. And in the win, a comfortable win in what was, I think, at the NBA coming up. Great to have you with us. I'm Kevin Harlan here with Greg Anthony and Tim Legler, along with our reporter, Allie LaForce. It's the Los Angeles Clippers taking on the Detroit Pistons. Now, here's MP. Pass to Thompson. Back to MP. And MP throws it down.
This young kid's got some ups. MP throwing it down.
Inside, Lopez. Good, and the assist goes to MP.
and getting the offense started with a high-quality look down low.
Out to Thompson. Cunningham looking around. Here's MP. And MP throws it down.
It's a nice take by MP. Those legs have a lot of life in them.
Here's MP. Rebounded by the Pistons. Now MP. There's the three. The rebound by Brook Lopez. About a minute and a half through the first quarter. And finish off by Collins.
This is as easy as it gets for Collins. Once he establishes position, the defense is toast.
Back to Cunningham. And here is Duran. And Harris wide open. He shoots. Off target from outside. It's Beverly on the wing. That puts them in the lead.
A great sign for MP in his career, the ability to convert in traffic.
To the inside. And MP throws it down.
Really crisp, intelligent passing to make that basket possible.
Here's Beverly. Stolen by Thompson. Here's Tice. And MP throws it down.
And credit Harris for creating that high percentage look, scanning the floor and finding the best option.
And here's MP for three. The Pistons leading. Pass to Rice. Jacks up a three. That's in, coming off the assist from Cunningham. MP's got 11 points. Now Collins. Kicks it out to MP. And here is Lopez. And it goes down 2 points.
Wow, MP really learning how to run that pick and roll. That was nice.
MP outside. .131 left to play here in the first. It falls for the 6th time in 7 tries this contest. That's 86%. Here's MP. The kick out to Lopez. Out of bounds. Detroit takes possession.
Well, that is just real miscommunication there, sending it out of bounds.
Pistons lead by 5. Here's Rice. And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up.
That's just great willpower on the part of MP. You can't let defenders think they can intimidate you.
Wow, what, did he have something in his eye on that shot?
Maybe. Now, here's MP. Duran pulls it in. And here are the Pistons now. They've outscored him 10 points to 2 during this run. The drive by MP. And the dunk by MP.
Get used to seeing that over the next 10-plus seasons. MP taking flight.
And a wide open look for Mathurin. And the Clippers miss again. MP left side. Thompson outside. Pass to Cunningham. Down to 5 on the shot clock. That one goes. Count it.
Their play on both ends has been superb. We'll see if they can maintain the momentum.
Well, the score reflects it. They've just been the better team all the way around.
And finish off by Collins.
I'm sure his teammates love having a guy like Collins on the receiving end of those alley-oops. As fun an assist as you'll get.
And so it's MP making things happen for the Detroit Pistons. What an amazing quarter. There was... And for those of you just tuning in, the second quarter of action is where we're at right now. And guys, let's get your take on the scoring breakdown for the Pistons.
I like how they've worked the ball inside, getting looks closer in there, and that really helps your offense.
Back to Duran. Here's Rice. MP going right to the rim.
And he is just piling up the numbers here. MP seems to improve every time we see him. Such an impressive talent.
Outside Mathurin. Back to Beverly. Off target with his three. And it's Thompson with the ball. He'll bring it up for the Detroit Pistons. 10-point lead. This is their biggest. Here's Beverly. It's hauled in by Harris. The three from MP. Second chance shot. And Duran lays it in. Duran's got the lead up to 12 now for the Pistons.
There he is, beasting on the glass, converting the opportunity, trying to put this game away.
And regardless of the big lead, he just doesn't slow down.
Here's MP. Basket made, just his second this contest. He's 2 for 7 now.
Despite his youth, MP showing grown man strength.
Harris outside. Pass to MP. Rebound by the Clippers. Lopez left side.
And for a 7-footer, Brook Lopez is pretty versatile. You get all the defensive impact you expect, but he can also consistently score on all 3 levels.
That misses, so he splits the free throws. Pistons lead by 9. And the ball goes out of bounds. Last touch by MP.
A pass that long had better be on target. Otherwise, it's impossible to make a play.
Here now the Clippers. Pass to MP. Beyond the arc. No good that time. MP right side. Collins grabs the miss. Clippers trail by 9. Now MP. Covered by MP. To the middle. Collins, good. And that's now 6 points for John Collins.
With soft hands and great recognition, Collins is the ideal big for a pick and roll.
On the wing, MP. Outside Collins. Beverly for 3. MP showing the range.
MP looking solid from there.
Pass to Thompson. The Pistons working the ball around now. Here's MP. Good defense by MP.
And there hasn't been anything easy for him in this period.
And with each miss, you can feel him pressing just a little bit more. Using all of that size to create leverage and rip down that board.
MP with it. Now defended by MP. Shots good by Rice.
Well, some guys can get a little caught up in that mid-range, but not MP.
MP outside. And the call on the shot that sends him to the line. The Clippers have converted 1 of 2 free throws so far today. First one falls for him.
And you talk about building a legacy. That's MP's mindset, not just for himself, but for this team.
Pass to Thompson. And a wide open look for Cunningham. Good on the three-point shot. Cunningham's got 5.
Well, that's a tough matchup because he's skilled and relentless.
Here's Beverly. And here's Collins. Some solid defense from Harris. And they're on the break. MP, that's for 2. Right to the rim. MP caps off the break.
Well, for a guy who hasn't been in the league a long time, MP has a very soft touch on that jumper. That's a breakdown defensively. He is far too good of a shooter to leave that wide open.
Cunningham outside. Here's Rice. And MP throws it down.
Not the kind of aggressive defense they need to cut into the lead.
Yeah, you have to protect the rim, Greg, a little better.
Yeah, I mean, when you're fighting back, you cannot give up plays like that.
The drive by MP. And yes, it's good. Beverly's got 11 points in the quarter. And so it's the Detroit Pistons bringing the quarter to a close with a 7-point lead. Their lead is where it is because they've gotten good shots. A lot of good shots. Right back after this break. We played through the first half. Plenty of basketball, though, left in this one. MP, no good.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can't count on him to continue missing.
And the officials will call the illegal screen right there.
That's going to draw a whistle every time down the floor. Not even close to being a legal screen.
Well, my feeling is you just want to make sure it's called consistently both ways.
Down low. And the dunk by MP.
And that's something Cunningham takes pride in. Sharp read with that pinpoint pass.
Thompson outside. And stolen by Leonard. MP inside. Good for his sixth make and a dozen attempts, shooting 50% with that basket.
It's a great move, and he catches the defense completely off guard.
Well, getting a high percentage look right out of the locker room to start the second half. Exactly what they were looking for. He must have visualized this one because everything is falling.
Lopez right side. MP with the easy bucket inside.
Well, that's a great shot there by MP, showing great composure for his age.
It's stolen by Mathurin. Here's Beverly. And the layup's good off the glass. Beverly's got 19 points.
And that's how you do it, guys. Ball pressure and then get some runouts.
And the foul called on MP. That's his first foul. And now around 2 minutes gone by in this half. MP with it. Leonard picks him up. Oh, MP sinks the triple.
And ring another one up. MP not messing around from deep.
To the paint. And finished off by Collins.
And wait to finish and cut into that lead a little bit.
Yeah, but look at the basket guy still shaking.
He's going to put that one in his scrapbook. Insane dunk.
And now they're starting to rub it in. Build up a lead, and here we go, baby. It is showtime. Clippers trail by 8. MP outside. Down low. Kicks it out to Leonard. Some nice ball movement by the Clippers. Here's MP. And he lays it straight in. He's got 21.
And he is just piling up the numbers here. MP seems to improve every time we see him. Such an impressive talent.
And no doubt about it, in order for them to be successful, he has got to be a catalyst when it comes to scoring.
This is his second trip to the free throw line. MP looking around. It's stolen by Cunningham. And here we go. MP heading to the hoop.
Beautiful transition offense there. That's execution at its best.
And it results in the highest percentage look you're going to get.
Kicks it out to Leonard. And stolen by Thompson. MP up top. 33 points for him. And here's Harris from the arc. Good, and it's MP picking up the assist.
And everything is dropping for them. Terrific second half run.
Well, whatever they talked about at halftime, it's working now.
A nice shot by MP.
Playing from behind right here. Not easy, but he is answering the bell.
He's doing everything he can to keep him in this game, finding good looks.
Clippers trail by 13. Here's the three. And it's Rice with the rebound. And so MP will bring it up for the Detroit Pistons. There's 39 seconds left in the third quarter.
Haven't we seen that a few times today, guys? I mean, their defense has got to have a little bit more toughness about it.
And here's MP for three. Connects from three-point range. Beverly's got 13 points now in the quarter.
That's the kind of D that you're not going to find success with, guys. They've got to get a hand in the face.
Cunningham for three. Hits it from three-point range. Cunningham's got 8.
And you can play Cunningham on the ball, off the ball. He's really a generational talent, partly because of his versatility.
Here's Rice. And MP throws it down.
Well, it's easy to see who the offense is running through tonight. Why change anything?
And so it's MP making things happen for the Detroit Pistons. He's approaching. And 1 quarter to go in a game that to this point has not been an evenly fought contest. Here's MP. Pass to Collins. Back to Beverly. Spins. Lopez right side. Kicks it out to Leonard. Back to MP. Clock at 6. And it's MP with the rebound. Pistons leading by 17. And it's the Clippers with the rebound. MP outside. Takes the assist and lays it in. Picked out the pass nicely. And it's 7 points for Brook Lopez. And a wide open look for MP. Drills it from outside.
And perimeter scoring, I have to imagine it was a topic of discussion at halftime.
Well, they certainly have the shooters to do it. It's just about finding that rhythm.
And staying with the play, Lopez.
Oh, smooth. Guys, very good job getting himself in close enough that he could just tip it back in.
Well said. Those kind of plays in the offensive glass can tell the story sometimes, can't they? Here's MP. Off with the layup. Pistons leading by 19. And they double up MP. Looking for Harris. He gets it there. And the shot is good.
And it does a world of good for them to have Harris getting busy inside. Gives them that inside-out edge they're looking for.
Drops in the tray. Rice has got 46 points. And a closer look here at the hustle stats for the Pistons.
They have been a wrecking ball defensively, coming up with steals, being active with their hands, and just doing a terrific job of disrupting the rhythm. Yeah, letting it rip. They're just having fun right now.
It's a great game plan, and it's great execution. They've really been in the zone.
Lets the three fly. Rebound by the Clippers. And here we go. Fast break. Beverly's got it.
2 minutes.
1:51 left in the fourth quarter. And he can't stop the run as he misses. MP outside. And the foul called on MP. That'll be his second foul of the game.
Fouling like that isn't how you get back in the game.
First free throw is good.
And the big question for MP is going to be work ethic. Because if he can put in the sweat, there's no reason he can't be a star in this league.
1:36 left here in the fourth quarter. MP with it. Duran picks him up. Outside Mathurin. And looks like the illegal pick was set. Yep, that's right. That'll get their attention.
Beyond the leaning, you could see his feet weren't set on that screen. Easy call.
Also, the ball handler needs to wait until the screener's feet are set.
MP left side. Pulls up. Oh, and that one had the right spin on it, and it is good. Rice has got 52 points.
Well, the more experience MP gets, the more confident he's going to become, specifically knowing when he should try to score.
.50 seconds left to play here in the fourth. Elbow shot. Count the basket. MP's got 54 points.
Saw the opportunity to put this away, and you could see the killer instinct take over.
They are playing with so much confidence. They've been clutch all the way around.
And it's really a tale of two quarters. Shot it so well in the last, but this one can't get anything to fall.
And that one falls for Rice. All free throws good from Rice. 30 seconds left to play in the final quarter. Outside Collins. Inside. Kicks it out to MP. Takes it off the glass.
There is no doubt he's been the dealer for them on offense, but he is going to need some support from his teammates.
MP left side. And the rejection by MP. Takes a three. Misses the shot. And so Detroit takes this one by a big margin. And the outcome of this one was never in doubt.
And boy, they really put in a supreme effort. It just felt like once they had that lead and it was comfortable, they were not going to relinquish it.
And that'll do it, folks.